Think painkillers are your quick fix for discomfort. Think again? In this video, we'll reveal the hidden side effects that could be affecting your health in ways you didn't expect. Particularly non-prescription and prescription ones can have various side effects. Here are some common ones. Number 1. Gastrointestinal issues. Painkillers like NSAIDs, for example, ibuprofen, can cause stomach irritation, ulcers, and bleeding. This is more likely if taken on an empty stomach or over long periods. Number 2. Drowsiness. Opioid painkillers morphine, oxycodone can lead to drowsiness, dizziness, or even confusion. Number 3. Addiction. Opioid painkillers carry a risk of addiction, especially when used for extended periods or not as prescribed. Number 4. Kidney damage. Prolonged use of painkillers, particularly NSAIDs, can affect kidney function and may lead to kidney damage. Number 5. Liver damage. Acetaminophen paracetamol is processed in the liver and can cause liver damage when taken in excess or combined with alcohol. Number 6. Increased heart risk. NSAIDs have been associated with a slightly increased risk of heart attack or stroke, particularly in individuals with existing heart conditions. Number 7. Allergic reactions. Some painkillers can trigger allergic reactions such as rashes, itching, or even severe reactions like anaphylaxis. Number 8. Respiratory depression. Opioid painkillers can slow down breathing, which can be dangerous, especially in higher doses. To wrap up, painkillers can help, but be mindful of the side effects. Always follow dosage instructions and consult a doctor if needed. Stay safe and take care.